So when we have a point xy, so that basically means the position vector is going to be xi plus yj. So what it means is, if we have this, so starting from the origin, so it will go x unit towards east, so this is east, and y units towards j, so basically it is going to end up here, and that is going to be the position vector OA. So whenever we have a point, we can represent this as a position vector. So this is y, so this is the y coordinate, and this is going east, so this is the x coordinate, and this point in is xy. So that means any vector that can be represented as a position vector, so it starts from the origin O. So this is how you represent it. Now another way of representing the same vector is as a column vector. So we can also write the same thing as a matrix format. So the first row is x and the second row is y. So whenever we are representing vectors, we can represent by a coordinate, that means x coordinate, y coordinate, as a single point. We can represent that single point as the position vector, that means a line going from the origin to that point, and we write it using I and j, which is the official representation of vector east and north. We can also represent them using column vector. Column vector, just instead of I, we write the x coordinate of a matrix, and y is the second row of the matrix, and there's only one column. So we call this a column vector representation. We call this a column vector, and we can find the length using Pythagorean theorem. And of course, for a shortcut, we use another representation. Instead of writing OA, we write the letter A, which represents the position vector OA.